Hello, hello. Hopefully that's recording on the camera back there. Oh, pressure. Oh, amp meter charging. Okay, initially turning, just tail wheel does the turn. Spring only. Rudder and spring. Rudder and spring. For most maneuvering, that is sufficient. I'm going to add a little bit of brake, make it turn a little bit sharper here. See the wheel turn. Rudder stops the turn.
.com 6048 East Texas ground clear to Foxtrot Tango Whiskey Airport via the Dodge 3 arrival. Maintain 10,000. Expect 16,000 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 1.
Now, when I turn sharper, the tail wheel will unlatch. There it was. Now it's a free caster. I can pivot about, in this case, the left gear. When I want to stop the turn, you notice I have full right rudder, but the turn doesn't stop. I'm going to swing the rudder left, 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 left. Eventually, I'll pick up that tail wheel, but I haven't picked it up yet. There it is. Now it's unlatched the other way. For full right rudder, pick it up, full right rudder to try to pick it up, full right rudder to try to pick it up. There it is. Now I can turn left. The phenomenon is that once you get that tail wheel unlatched, like it is right there, in order to pick up the tail wheel with the rudder, even though I want to turn to the right or I want to stop the turn to the left, it's going to require that I give a left rudder jab, and I keep trying that until the rudder and the tail wheel are actually aligned close enough so I can pick it up. And still not picking it up. Still not picking it up. Still not getting it. I can tell because there, now I got it. I can tell when I have it because I don't feel the resistance of the springs onto the tail wheel in the rudder pedals. So now I feel the resistance, and I've got the rudder is connected to the tail wheel. When I turn sharply here, it's going to unlatch. Full right rudder, trying to stop the turn to the left, and keep jabbing left rudder until I pick up the tail wheel to the rudder again, and now I can steer. Repeating that, going to the right. Hook the tail wheel. Left rudder to stop the turn, but right rudder to try to pick up the rudder. Try to pick up the tail wheel. Right rudder, pick up the tail wheel. Nope. Right rudder, do I have it? No, I don't. Right rudder, there I have it. Now I can steer with the tail wheel using the rudder. Unhook. Right rudder. Left rudder. Nope, didn't get it. Left rudder, there I have it. Now I can steer. So you have to do those rudder jabs. In order to pick up the tail wheel on the rudder, you have to do those jabs with the tail wheel, or those jabs with the rudder, in the direction of the turn until you pick up the tail wheel with the rudder so you can then steer with the tail wheel.